In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and set up forms in Monday.com. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and collect information efficiently, creating a form in Monday.com is a great way to start. So let's dive in and walk through the process together in just a few easy steps. To begin, open your web browser and go to Monday.com. Here, you'll want to start by logging into your account. Look for the Login button at the top right corner of the page and give it a click. Now you can choose to log in using your Google account for convenience. Just click on Google and select your Google account credentials to proceed. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard of your Monday.com account, ready to begin building your form. Next, navigate to the left-hand panel and you should see a plus icon. This icon is your gateway to creating new elements within Monday.com. Click on it and you will see a drop-down menu. From this menu, go ahead and select Form. This selection allows you to begin creating a form that can be tailored to meet your specific needs and allows your team to gather the data you require effectively. Once you're in the form creation area, you'll be presented with two options, templates or starting a form from scratch. For the sake of this tutorial, I recommend clicking on Start from Scratch. This option gives you full control to customize each aspect of your form to ensure it captures precisely what you need. After choosing to start from scratch, look for the Edit Form option. Click on it, and you'll enter the form editing interface. This is where the magic happens. You can start adding fields, modifying questions, and adjusting the order of items to best serve your objective. Take your time here to get it just right. Once you've crafted your form query elements, it's time to enhance its visual appeal. Click on the Design tab, where you can customize colors, fonts, and layouts to reflect your brand's style or personal preference. An appealing design can significantly impact the form-filling experience, so it's worth paying attention to this step. Now that your form looks great and collects the necessary information, it's important to know how to share it with your team or external clients. When you're satisfied with the setup, click on Share Form. This option will allow you to distribute your form effortlessly. Finally, to make sharing as easy as possible, click on Copy Link. Doing so will provide you with a direct URL to your form, which you can share via email, chat, or any other communication platform you prefer. And that's it. You've successfully created and set up a form in Monday.com.